Hi, have a good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Mergin Paduliano. I'm 45 years old and I'm a high school graduate. And I'm single mom. I have one son, 18 years old. My work experience in abroad was in Qatar 7 years, since 2017 until 2023, in one employers. They have 7 members of the family. They have 5 kids, all adult. My main duty, cleaning their house, washing their clothes, ironing, and taking care of one cat until I finish my contract. My second experience was here in Jordan. They have 5 members of the family. They have 3 kids, 13, 10, and 3 years old. My main duty, cleaning, ironing, washing your clothes, and cooking. And also, I finished my 2 years contract. If you hired me, Mom and Sir, I will do good my responsibility and to taking care of good of your kids. Thank you and have a nice day.